Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to show you one of our latest acquisitions, a car that has incredible history and the paperwork is outstanding. We're going to tell you more about it in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. The home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars everywhere from the real old classics to the muscle cars, street rods, and as we have today, the famous Corvettes of this era. I tell you what, the Stingray not only was a fish, but it was also a wonderful car. This body style on the Corvettes to me is just absolutely, that reminds me what I always consider to be a Corvette. 1979 Corvette Coupe. And was this car loaded with all the bells and whistles? It is really, really something quite special. I mean, you got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, of course, the T-tops, the leather interior. I mean, they came with obviously the raised letters, tires with the factory mags. And the black paint on this car is truly, really, really good. And the special part is this car's only had 3 owners and 35,000 actual miles. Talk about a low mileage example. I mean, and like I said, that's kind of what people are looking for in the collector world today. You want a car that has a story. Well, we have a car right here that has an incredible story. The current owner had it over 20 years. So you know this has been babied and taken care of its entire life's existence. You can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. You know, give us a like. Leave us a comment, subscribe, because we always have interesting cars such as this one and many others that we've done over the years. So if you're looking for something that some interesting facts, we've got them for you right there. But yeah, you're going to make sure to want to watch the entire video to watch the walk around. We start this thing up. I mean, it's just, I mean, that's the nice thing about these cars. Turn the key and they start and they drive. As I was mentioning, this is one of those cars that has an incredible amount of paperwork. We have everything that you could ever imagine, from the original delivery paperwork, the original window sticker, the owner's manual, all the stuff when it was delivered, when it was given to the guy, the first guy. It had 9 miles on it, which was divulged in some of this paperwork, which is really, really special to have when you have one of these cars. That's why we actually got the 79 in, because, you know, it's kind of one of the lesser Corvettes to a degree, but it still is, I think, one of those upside cars that's going to have some really nice value down the road, because a lot of people had them and they're going to want them again, but you're going to want good ones. And that's why we have this one right here. This is a really, really stellar example. And like I say, you take the T-tops off and you're almost a convertible in my world. You can come down and take a look at this car in person if you're so inclined. Love to have you come into our store. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and we're open on Saturdays as well, 10 until 4. So if you're looking for one of those really nice examples, and it is a 4-speed. I probably didn't even mention it. That was one of my favorite things about this car. It's a 4-speed. And you know, that is one of those things that is just absolutely makes this car really kind of very special, because not as many people had the 4 speeds in 79. So if you're looking for something really nifty, you want something, you turn the key, drive away, we've got this and many other examples right here at Ellingson's. Come by and take a look. We'd love to show you around.